I already said to you it's closed. That's not what I mean. What I mean is, yes, there are two security bits. There's one at the viewing deck which is closed, and there's another security bit which is more, how can I put it, more complex than the one at the viewing deck. That's at departures. That's what I mean. Had the viewing deck been open, you would have then, only then, would you have to put your luggage on the conveyor belt, then go through a metal detector, and once all that's tickety-boo, out you go through the door, voila, viewing deck. But unfortunately, as I've said 2 to 3 times, it is closed because of what the airport says is due to changes to safety regulations, probably because somebody or some people have pulled the naughties. If not that, the obvious anomalies as far as Ukraine and the Middle East are concerned. And also economic impact, as they've also alluded to, which could potentially be what happened during COVID, where everything went kaplam. As far as signs to the viewing deck, that's only in the main building. You know, the part of the airport where you got all the check-in bits and pieces for various airlines. I'm pretty sure last I looked, there was a toilet and a couple of outlets, and then somewhere close by on the upper floor, there was a sign that said viewing deck. Or, you know, words to the effect of area where you can look at the planes.